Welcome to In Printing Color. My name is Liz, aka pezliz, and I am streaming this live on twitch.tv/pezliz. Now, Easter is right around the corner and all kinds of spring celebrations. So I want to share with you two of Polymaker's new matte filaments that I find are bright pops of color for the spring season. The first I'm going to showcase is this gorgeous, absolutely stunning matte sunshine yellow. This screams sunshine. It screams sunshine and lollipops and all the good things. And if we take a look at it on the Polymaker website, we see a beautifully vibrant color. So if you are interested in some of these Polymaker colors and you're wondering if it works with a certain palette, Polymaker's colors come with a hex code. So you can check out that hex code. And of course, there's all sorts of color charts where you can use the hex code and see what colors are complementary and which ones are contrasting. And if you visit app.polymaker.com, you can do some research on what colors would go well with this. But I'm not going to look at what colors go well with this. I'm going to look at what prints go well with this. And of course, one of the first things that comes to mind when I see a beautiful bright yellow is one of my favorite Easter treats, very controversial one for a lot of people, and that is marshmallow Peeps. So this marshmallow Easter Peep is available on MakerWorld. There's actually quite a few Easter Peeps available, but this one I felt, this one by Anselor, is the closest to a Peep that I've seen in a while. So it's not too swished. It's the right amount of it's a right ratio for the top and the bottom, and it's also a little bit cute. So of course, Peeps come in many different colors, so you can print this in any color, but this matte sunshine yellow is a perfect color for these Peeps. And these Peeps can even be printed as earrings, which is pretty cool. As you can see, many different colors of Peeps. And if you take a look at my Easter collection on MakerWorld, I've got all kinds of Easter prints. Also, I have an Easter collection on Printables. So another thing that I absolutely had to print when I was taking a look at this filament is this absolutely adorable knitted hatching chick by Smoggy 3D. And I printed this at 200% size because it was too darn cute. So this is in, again, the beautiful matte sunshine yellow. I actually used Polymaker's new formula of Pet G for the eggshell, just the white that I had on hand. We've got some, this is the HTPLA for the eyes. We've got the brown and the orange HTPLA, and this is an absolutely adorable model. So I love this one. And it's fairly easy to assemble. All of these pieces can be printed separately. So super cute, and I love this one. Another thing that you can print in a color that yellow is the pezliz Tulip Vase. My Tulip Vase is popular again this year. It's been popping off a bit. I've printed it in a few different colors, including the new raspberry blue. But the Tulip Vase can be sized to any size that you like, and it's super pretty in this matte sunshine yellow. Another print for the matte sunshine yellow is someone that I have had the pleasure of connecting with Polymaker, and someone that got to test out these beautiful colors ahead of time, and that is the Kit Kiln. So Kit Kiln did The Simpsons. So Kit Kiln was able to use the matte sunshine yellow. I see the brand new raspberry blue and a few other shades there to do the at least Homer, Marge, Bart, and Lisa for right now of The Simpsons. So pretty awesome. And like all kit kiln models, these all the colors all print separately and are assembled. So it's a really fun model and the perfect color for The Simpsons. Now, we can't just go with one color. We can't just go with one color this evening on Imprinting Color because there's so many colors to showcase and spring is right around the corner. Well, it technically is spring, but I'm in Canada. It's still snowing. So the other color that I chose to showcase tonight is the Matte Pastel Coral. And as you can see, I have been printing up a storm with this Matte Pastel Coral. It is a really creamy, dreamy color. I absolutely love it. And if we take a look at it on the Polymaker website, you can see that the Matte Pastel Coral has a very South Beach, a very Miami, a very, I don't know, just a really nice vibe to it. And of course, when you print in mattes, I should have mentioned this before, mattes actually hide layer lines. Well, in this model that I'm going to show to you, that's full of Peeps actually, you don't have to worry about layer lines because I applied fuzzy skin mode to it. So this is a model by Hanky's 3D on MakerWorld. And as you can see, it's totes adorbs. So I printed this in the Matte Pastel Coral and I did something fun in the slicer. I actually used the painting of fuzzy skin mode. So if we take a look at up close, you see the inside of the ears are quite smooth. And if we take the Peeps out, if we take the Peeps and the grass out, it's smooth on the inside, but it's got that really cute fuzzy skin mode on the outside. So really awesome, really fun model. This one can be sized up, can be sized down, depending on how many treats you want to give to someone. I have a pro tip too. I was looking to get some Easter grass, and instead of Easter grass, I actually got Easter garland. And the Easter garland is a lot less messy than Easter grass, as you can see. So I'm able to put little treats in there and have it ready for filling for Easter. Super cute. But this is the Matte Pastel Coral. If you are looking to print any number of things, including tulips and Easter things, nice home decor containers, all sorts of things, it's an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous color. So, for example, you could print the James the Printer canister set. And this one is not only coral, I use the terracotta, the matte terracotta as the lid. So absolutely gorgeous. And of course, my Tulip Vase, self-promotion there, could definitely be printed with the beautiful coral color. But I encourage you to certainly choose your own adventure when it comes to these beautiful filaments. As you can see, we've got two colors that are ready for spring and ready for your printing adventures. So let me know what you think of these colors, what you might want to print with these colors. And yes, we need a Maggie Simpson at some point soon. Absolutely. But thank you for joining me for Imprinting Color, and happy printing.